How many liters fit inside 1 cubic foot? Let's break it down step by step. A cubic foot is a cube that measures 1 foot on every side. It's roughly the size of a small storage box. A liter is a metric unit used to measure liquid volume. A cubic foot comes from the imperial system, while liters come from the metric system. We convert units to compare volumes across systems. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So a cubic foot equals 12 inches cubed. That equals 1,728 cubic inches. 1 cubic inch equals about 16.4 milliliters. Multiply that by 1,728. You get roughly 28,316 milliliters. Divide by 1,000 to convert milliliters to liters. 1 cubic foot equals about 20.3 liters. So the quick answer is 28 liters. That's about 28 1-liter bottles of water. A 1 cubic foot aquarium holds roughly 28 liters. Manufacturers often use cubic feet to measure fridge capacity. Shipping companies also use cubic feet. In construction, concrete volume is often measured this way, but liquids are usually measured in liters. A 10 cubic foot tank holds about 280 liters. Here's an easy trick. 1 cubic foot equals about 28 liters. The precise value is 20.316 liters. We usually round for easier calculations. This visualization makes the conversion easier to remember. 1 cubic foot equals about 0.028 cubic meters. Scientists often convert cubic feet into liters for experiments. Rainwater storage tanks may use both units. Fuel storage systems also rely on these conversions. Pool volumes are often calculated in cubic feet and then converted to liters for water treatment. This is a common math and science classroom example. Understanding unit conversions builds practical skills. Just multiply cubic feet by 20.3. 5 cubic feet equals about 141 liters. To go backward, divide liters by 28.3. Precise volume matters in engineering and design. Delivery companies calculate tank size using these conversions. This helps estimate storage space efficiently. Even storage boxes can be measured this way. 1 cubic foot equals about 28 liters. Remember, cubic feet times 20.3. Try it yourself. What's 2 cubic feet in liters? It equals about 56 liters. This knowledge is useful in science, DIY, and everyday planning. A cubic foot is 12 inches cubed, which equals about 28 liters. So the answer is 20.3 liters. Understanding unit conversions makes measurements easier everywhere. And now you know exactly how many liters are in 1 cubic foot.